Come on, guys.
You guys gotta say this is Kellen and Ryland from Mikelson.
Kellen and Ryland with Mikelson.
Dude, it's not that cold, right? Come on.
Here, Ryland, here's a jacket right here.
Thanks.
All right, PJ, what are we doing today?
We're bringing this beautiful 50 over to the boatyard. It's going to survey tomorrow. They're gonna haul it out, look at the bottom. And the reason that there's so many of us is because that dinghy has to get there too, so we can put it up on deck. So one of us is gonna run the dinghy and the rest are gonna run the big boat.
Rock, paper, scissors?
Rochambeau.
Just kidding, I want the dinghy. All right, guys, and this is the Mikelson 50 that we posted the video about earlier this week. PJ, being the salesman extraordinaire that he is, of course, has already sold it.
It's all because you made that video, Sam.
Because of our video. So thank you guys for watching. We got PJ's twin boys with us, Kellen and Ryland, stars of the show. So I'm gonna steal one of them and bring him in the dinghy with me, right?
Who's going with Uncle Sam?
You're driving that?
Yeah, I'm driving this. No, I'll go dinghy.
Oh, awesome. All right, I got Ryland then. That was easy.
Considering you have Uncle Sam's jacket, you better go with him.
All right, well, let's get you all fired up and we'll get you out of here and we'll make a cool little video. Boom.
Sweet.
Well, the 50 started. Let's see if the dinghy starts. Still the weirdest dinghy ever because it's aluminum, which is cool, but the console's interesting. What do you think, Ryland?
I haven't drove a dinghy in a long time.
Right? All right, well, let's start. Gotta love a Yamaha. All right.
Oh, it's leaking.
No, it's the exhaust. All right, let's move this dinghy over real quick. Oh, I almost missed it too. That was a good jump. All right, go straight to that cleat. Go to wrap it around that cleat right there. Nicely done. Can't tie a knot, tie a lot. Hopefully this thing has gas in it. Oh my gosh, dude, that is flawless. Nicely done, dude. That is what's up. All right, Captain Daddy, you ready to do it? Oh, I don't know if he heard me. All right, let's check. First thing to check always, suicide lines. You guys, I call them suicide lines because they do just that. So suicide line is normally like if you tie it on the other side of the boat. Wow, that swim step's vibrating a little bit. Yeehaw!
What Mikelson is this again?
This is an older Mikelson 50. I don't remember. It's a 1991. What up, Captain Daddy? We ready to go?
Slow as pro.
Slow as pro. You ready to go?
My only speed, yeah.
All right, go get up there. I'll get your lines.
Oh, okay. Thank you, sir.
All right, you're cameraman.
Oh, okay.
Don't drop it in the water.
I won't.
How do I look?
Good.
So it's easy to get. PJ,
Go.
your bow thruster working? Nice. Bow thruster's working?
I think. Maybe.
All right. Oh, clear! Yeehaw! Water hazard. All right, let's go get some cool running shots. Another beautiful day in San Diego. Yeah, Kellen. I'm going first. Yeah. My bosun. All right, bosun, let's do it. Oh, wait, you drop. Oh. Woo! You got it?
Yeah.
He's my bosun! All right, come get back. You wanna drive?
Yeah. So we just follow them?
Just follow him. Try not to kill us. Uncle Sam already tried. Riding off into the sunset. Looking good, Ryland. Give me a smile. There you go. All right, we'll get some videos of this thing going fast. Shout out to Thunderbird. Ryland, you remember we made a video of you driving that boat?
We did?
Yeah, the 60. Got a couple 59 or 57 over there. Oh, R&R too. That's a 61, you guys. Those are both Mikelsons right there.
61's the biggest.
No, we built a couple 78s. Those are the biggest. Oh yeah. 61s were built over at our Malaysia factory. Very fancy. That is pretty cool, huh? It's a big aircraft carrier.
Those people actually moving.
It's coming in. It's not leaving. Look at this. Even cooler. We got these guys on this. I think those are called the Moth. If you know what those little sailboats are called right here, leave it in the comments. Let us know. Only in San Diego. Pretty cool, you guys. Pretty cool. PJ is leaving his fenders down. I like his style. Nice, relaxing Thursday afternoon. How cool is that?
So cool. They're traveling faster than I thought.
What a beast. Makes our Mikelson look tiny. Big boat.
What?
It's a big boat.
Yeah.
All right, guys. PJ's gaining speed. Fenders down, just like I taught him. He was getting a little close to the Navy boat. I saw him getting nervous, but sending it now. All right, Ryland, take us in a little bit closer. Whoa! All right. No, you're good. You're good. Sorry. Yeah, Ryland. All right, you see this boat in front of us? Let's not hit him. How cool is that? About to get sunk by these wakes right here. Oh no, we're going good. The wakes are coming. Woo! All right, wide angle time. I'm sitting down. I'm sitting down.
Oh my god. These are really scary.
We're surfing.
I don't like this. Oh my god, it's done.
Oh, all right, we'll get behind him.
Oh my god.
Oh!
Ah.
Oh, sprayed in the face.
Ah.
All right, all you kid. Downtown in the background, aircraft carrier in the background. Valley High Dock that we forgot to stop at and grab a Mai Tai since I have my DD. Yeah! Kellen's driving the big boat up there.
What?
Looking good.
What? It's Dad. I know it's Dad.
PJ, you're gonna stick out pretty far, dude. Is that okay?
I don't know. I think so.
Here, go forward again. Copy that. Yeah, buddy. Just want to. All right, I got you. Yeehaw! All right, Kellen, can you grab me the fender from the other side? Successful docking. All right,
Mission accomplished.
another successful boat delivery.
Boys, what does Uncle Sam always say?
I don't know.
I do always say that.
That's it. Every day.
That was spot on. All right.
Is fast pro or
Sometimes.
is slow pro?
It's let's go pro.
Somebody's done a good job of marketing. All right, let's see if we can plug.
All right, that concludes our today's YouTube. Thank y'all for watching. Hey, if you really liked this Mikelson 50, it's a 91. I have a 93 that we're going to be listing. So give us a call. We'll get you aboard. It's in great shape too. It's an awesome boat. Thanks for watching.